Well, hello world. It's call me Dahlia. Thank you for tuning in for another video of mine. So for today's video, it's going to be my first ever Boxycharm unboxing. I subscribed literally the end of July, so I did get their box from July last week, like on the 8th. But I didn't record it because obviously we were at the beginning of August and everyone had already seen everyone's July unboxing. So I forgot in the July's box that they had an eyebrow product. So I did my eyebrows already off of camera. So I'm not going to be using this, but I might try it later. But I do want to use the mascara and the blush in the July's box for today's look with the August. But yeah, so I'm just going to take out the blush and the mascara because I wanted to use that because I was excited. So let me move that out the way. And of course, I forgot to open it. So let me just get some tweezers. There we go. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so what do we got? Ooh, the first thing I see is lashes, but we're not there yet because I have to pull the palette out. I mean, isn't that gorgeous? And it feels really sturdy. I've heard that it was really sturdy. So I don't know what I'm going to use, like what look I'm going to come with. The Laura palette is $19. That's pretty awesome. I mean, really? It's almost the price of the box. So let's start with priming my eyelids. Okay, so I'm back and all I did was just prime my eyelids using Tarte Shape Tape, and I set it using Makeup Revolution banana powder. Now I'm going in with Party Animal from Laura Lee. That was a weird show. And I have no idea what I'm going to do, or if it's even going to come out nice. So we shall see. But I'm going to take Damage Control on a Sigma E40, and I'm going to use this as a transition shade. And then I'm going to take Karaoke and I'm just going to layer it. So I'm going to cut the crease because I'm going to do my favorite half cut crease. I'm just going to take a Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, so next I'm going to take a Sigma E56. It's just a flat shader brush, and I'm going in with It's a Party. It's a Party. And I'm going to put this in the inner third of my eye. Where's my mirror? Jeez, so unprepared. Ooh. Okay, so I'm going to take that same flat shader brush, the Sigma E56, and I'm going to take that orange shade, Drinks, and I'm going to put it on the rest of the lid. Not the rest of the lid, but the middle part of my lid. I'm just going to go in with Hung Over, and I'm going to pack this on the outer corner of my eye, just to deepen it up. You don't want to take Hangover and Karaoke. We're going to mix it. Okay, so this is the eye look so far. I'm going to grab a house of lashes, and this is in the style Boudoir. I think these are just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So hopefully I don't look like a major klutz doing it on camera, because I usually like to do it off of camera where no one can make fun of me. Okay, so I'm back. It took a while because my son woke up from his nap, and he's currently right here next to me. So if you hear any noise, I'm gonna try to cut it out, but not cut it. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to edit it out. But what can you do? He's awake. There's nothing. I did my other eye. I fixed my lashes. I couldn't do it. I had to cut it. I was just kind of rushing it because I heard him wake up from his nap, and I still could use a little bit more trimming, but they definitely look a lot better than what they were looking. They were looking a little rough, but I'm glad I cut it. I did my base, and now I'm going to go in with blush. I'm taking, see, look, he's playing with the lights, so the lighting starts to look weird. That's why. I'm going to grab, what is this, Note, the brand Note. No! No! Okay, so he almost knocked down a really expensive light. As you can see, his little head is right here, but he's not going to be in the video. So I'm going to grab Desert Rose. It's the blush from last month's Boxycharm, and I'm going to, ooh, that's a lot. Let me, ooh, I like blush, but yeah, that was intense. I'm not going to tell you the price point of what that blush was because that was last month, but I don't think I've been telling you guys. So I said the Laurel Party Animal eyeshadow palette is $19. The House of Lashes is anywhere from $9 to $12, I guess, depending on the style you got. And what are we on? Oh, the eye mask that I forgot to use is $13. The Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner. I haven't seen good things from this. Like at all. Like I'm like contemplating if I even want to try it. Okay, I'm just kind of putting it where my lashes is at. Not even like on my waterline. I don't know if you can see it. It is a little clumpy. It's not as bad as other videos that I've seen, but it's definitely not showing up as dark as I would have liked. I feel like he's rushing me. I feel like I'm being, yes, you're rushing me. You guys are gonna watch this video and think, oh my gosh, this girl is a hot mess. And yes, I am. I am gonna take my Sigma E15, and it's just a flat definer brush. I'm gonna take Hung Over, and I'm gonna put that closest to my lashes. We are going to get my E18 from Morphe, and I'm gonna take Damage Control and Karaoke, and we are going to buff that out. For the final color, because I just realized I'm one color away from using every color in the palette, I'm going to take Bottoms Up, and it's that pink color, and I'm going to put that directly underneath as well. We're going to have a little party under there. Okay, let's see, what shade did we get? This is a Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. I think it's called Stay Neutral. And this Smashbox, I guess the full size is $24. I don't know if this is a mini because it says $21 to $24. So I'm just assuming $24 is the price point on that. And then what's last? So I already said that I missed the eye masks, but this is Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. I don't know if I'm gonna use this right now, only because I have to grab him. It smells really good. I want to use this, but I'm holding him, and I feel, let me try one. See, look, he's already trying to touch it. I like this. It smells really good. I like it. I can't wait to do all my fingers. He's grabbing it right now, so that's why I'm going to put it away, because I feel like he's either going to make me drop it and spill it everywhere, or he's going to drop it and the glass is going to shatter. Yeah, so this box is over $100. The only thing I'm iffy about is that chocolate eyeliner. Not my favorite. I might throw it away since I already used it. I don't know, maybe I need to try it out some more since I noticed mine isn't as dry and crumbly as others have stated. So I'm gonna play with it around, play around with it a little bit more, and hopefully it's gonna work out a little bit better than what it did right now. What do y'all think about this look, this eye look? I mean, gorgeous. I love the blush from last month, and the mascara, I like it. I'm gonna use it. Sorry, he's making noises. This video is a hot mess, but see, but that's what it is. Okay, so this completes the look, and I hope you enjoyed the video. This is my first Boxycharm unboxing, so I'm super excited about everything that I received. Since you made it this far, you might as well hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. So yeah. Oh, and don't forget to like and comment, share this video with everyone and anyone, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye. You gonna say bye? Bye. No, you're gonna do a little fist. Bye. Y'all have a great day. Mwah. Let me see. Mwah. Oh, and then my dog decides to fart. Great, great. This is gonna make the trending list. Not. Okay, guys, that's it. Bye.